Fight clogged arteries with these 10 essential vitamins. Atherosclerosis, also known as plaque buildup, is a condition in which the walls of the arteries become thickened and hardened due to the accumulation of fatty deposits, such as cholesterol. This buildup of plaque can narrow the arteries and restrict blood flow to the heart, brain, and other vital organs. This can increase the risk of heart attacks, strokes, and other serious health issues. In this article, we will discuss some vitamins that can help unclog your arteries and improve your heart health. Atherosclerosis occurs when the inside of an artery develops a buildup of plaques made of cholesterol, fat, calcium, and other substances found in the blood. Over time, these plaques can harden and narrow the artery, reducing blood flow to the heart, brain, and other organs. Plaques can also rupture, leading to the formation of a blood clot, which can completely block blood flow and cause a heart attack or stroke. The most common form of plaque that causes atheroma is a buildup of LDL, low-density lipoprotein, cholesterol, which is also known as bad cholesterol. High levels of LDL cholesterol in the blood increase the risk of developing atheroma. The process of developing atheroma begins in childhood and continues throughout life. The risk of developing atheroma increases with age and with certain lifestyle factors, such as smoking, lack of physical activity, and a diet high in fat and cholesterol. It is important to take preventative measures to reduce the risk of developing atheroma, such as eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, and maintaining a healthy weight. In the next section, we will discuss 10 vitamins that can help unclog your arteries and improve your heart health. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that can help reduce inflammation and improve the health of your blood vessels. It can also help lower your blood pressure and improve your cholesterol levels. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is another powerful antioxidant that can help reduce inflammation and improve the health of your blood vessels. It can also help lower your risk of heart disease by preventing the formation of blood clots. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential for maintaining the health of your bones, but it can also help improve your heart health. It can help lower your blood pressure and improve your cholesterol levels. Vitamin K. Vitamin K is important for blood clotting, but it can also help unclog your arteries. It can help reduce the buildup of calcium in your blood vessels, which can lead to blocked arteries. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are a type of healthy fat that can help improve your heart health. They can help lower your blood pressure and improve your cholesterol levels. They can also help reduce inflammation and prevent blood clots. Magnesium. Magnesium is a mineral that can help improve your heart health. It can help lower your blood pressure and improve your cholesterol levels. It can also help reduce the risk of heart disease by preventing the formation of blood clots. Coenzyme Q10. Coenzyme Q10 is a nutrient that can help improve your heart health. It can help reduce inflammation and improve the health of your blood vessels. It can also help lower your risk of heart disease by preventing the formation of blood clots. Polyphenols. Polyphenols are a type of antioxidant that can help improve your heart health. They can help reduce inflammation and improve the health of your blood vessels. They can also help lower your risk of heart disease by preventing the formation of blood clots. Niacin. Niacin is a B vitamin that can help improve your heart health. It can help lower your blood pressure and improve your cholesterol levels. It can also help reduce the risk of heart disease by preventing the formation of blood clots. Folate. Folate is a B vitamin that can help improve your heart health. It can help lower your blood pressure and improve your cholesterol levels. It can also help reduce the risk of heart disease by preventing the formation of blood clots. Signs of clogged arteries. Signs of clogged arteries, or atherosclerosis, can vary depending on the location and severity of the plaque buildup. Some common signs and symptoms of clogged arteries include chest pain or discomfort. clogged arteries in the heart can cause chest pain or discomfort, also known as angina. This pain can feel like pressure or squeezing in the chest and may be accompanied by shortness of breath or sweating. Heart attacks. A blockage in an artery that supplies the heart with blood can cause a heart attack, also known as a myocardial infarction. Signs of a heart attack include chest pain, shortness of breath, and sweating. Strokes. Clogged arteries in the brain can cause a stroke, which occurs when the blood flow to the brain is interrupted. Signs of a stroke include sudden weakness or numbness on one side of the body, difficulty speaking or understanding speech, and vision problems. Peripheral artery disease. Clogged arteries in the legs can cause PAD, which can cause pain or cramping in the legs while walking or climbing stairs. Abdominal aortic aneurysm. Clogged arteries in the abdominal aorta can cause an aneurysm, which is a bulging or weakening of the artery wall. This can cause abdominal pain or a pulsating feeling in the abdomen. Erectile dysfunction. Clogged arteries in the pelvic region can cause erectile dysfunction in men. It's important to note that not all people with clogged artery will experience symptoms or signs. It is essential to have regular checkup with a healthcare professional to detect and prevent the progression of the disease. Causes of clogged arteries. Clogged arteries, or atherosclerosis, is caused by a buildup of plaque in the walls of the arteries. This plaque is made up of cholesterol, fat, calcium, and other substances found in the blood. The following are some common causes of clogged arteries. High cholesterol. High levels of LDL, low-density lipoprotein, cholesterol in the blood can increase the risk of developing plaque in the arteries. LDL cholesterol is often referred to as bad cholesterol. High blood pressure. High blood pressure can damage the walls of the arteries, leading to the formation of plaque. Smoking. Smoking can damage the walls of the arteries and increase the risk of developing plaque. Diabetes. People with diabetes have an increased risk of developing plaque in the arteries due to high blood sugar levels. Lack of physical activity. A sedentary lifestyle can increase the risk of developing plaque in the arteries. Poor diet. A diet high in saturated and trans fats, cholesterol, and processed foods can increase the risk of developing plaque in the arteries. Genetics. Some people may be at a higher risk of developing clogged arteries due to genetic factors. Age. The risk of developing clogged arteries increases as we age. Race. African Americans and other minority groups are at a higher risk of developing clogged arteries. Stress. Chronic stress can lead to the release of hormones that can increase the risk of developing clogged arteries. It's important to note that there are many different factors that can contribute to the development of clogged arteries, and many people may have multiple risk factors. By identifying and addressing these risk factors, it's possible to reduce the risk of developing clogged arteries and improve heart health. There are several home remedies that can help unclog your arteries and improve your heart health. Here are a few things you can do at home to reduce your risk of clogged arteries. Eat a healthy diet. Eating a diet that is low in saturated and trans fats, cholesterol, and processed foods can help reduce your risk of developing plaque in the arteries. Instead, focus on eating fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity can help reduce your risk of developing clogged arteries. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking, most days of the week. Quit smoking. Smoking is one of the main risk factors for clogged arteries, so quitting can have a significant impact on your heart health. Manage your stress. Chronic stress can increase your risk of developing clogged arteries, so it's important to find ways to manage and reduce stress in your life. Drink moderate amounts of alcohol. Drinking moderate amounts of alcohol can raise the level of good cholesterol in your body, which is beneficial for your heart health. Drink more water. Drinking more water can help flush out harmful toxins and excess cholesterol from your body, which can help unclog your arteries. Consume garlic and ginger. Garlic and ginger contain compounds that can help reduce inflammation and improve the health of your blood vessels, which can help unclog your arteries. Consume turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation and improve the health of your blood vessels. Consume apples. Apples contain pectin, a type of fiber that can help lower cholesterol levels and improve the health of your blood vessels. Consume omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish like salmon, sardines, and tuna are known to reduce inflammation and improve the health of your blood vessels. It's important to note that while these home remedies can be beneficial, they should be used in conjunction with professional medical care and not as a replacement. It's also important to consult with a healthcare professional before making any drastic changes to your diet or exercise routine. Most powerful home remedy recipe. Here is a recipe for a home remedy drink that can help unclog your arteries and improve your heart health. Apple cider vinegar and honey drink. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. 2 tablespoons of honey. 1 cup of warm water. Instructions. In a small mixing bowl, combine the apple cider vinegar and honey. Stir the mixture until the honey is fully dissolved. Pour the mixture into a cup of warm water. Stir the drink well and consume it. This drink can help unclog your arteries by reducing inflammation, improving cholesterol levels, and improving blood pressure. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which helps to lower bad cholesterol levels, and honey is a natural sweetener that contains antioxidants that can help improve heart health. This drink can be consumed once or twice a day. It's important to note that if you are taking medication for blood pressure or diabetes, or if you have any other health condition, you should consult with your healthcare professional before consuming this remedy. Also, it is not recommended to consume too much apple cider vinegar as it can cause tooth erosion and throat irritation.